In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App. So to do this, you will need to use a middleman, and that is often a bank account or PayPal, because Cash App is not a bank and often blocks gambling related deposits. So therefore you do not want to do it directly to Cash App, and currently it's also not available. So what you will need to do is first go and open up FanDuel, and then head into the account section, and from there simply click on withdrawal. There you will find the available options for you. Now, as I said, you can just use PayPal or bank account, and then if you want to have it in your Cash App, then from there you will need to then deposit it into your Cash App. So you will just need to take an extra step if you want to have it from FanDuel into your Cash App. So you also need to enter the amount and then just confirm it, and then they will also tell you how long it will take usually. So that's how to withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App. So there's no direct way to do it. You will need to do it through a different option, such as a card, bank account, or PayPal, and then from that option transfer it to Cash App. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.